The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking fairly quiet for the rest of this week with only isolated showers and thunderstorms around. There's the upper air look, and again this morning we had that very nice trough over the eastern U.S., and that's pulled down drier air, and accordingly we just don't have much on radar as this day begins. That was about 5 o'clock this morning. Had a few showers around Fort Morgan. Otherwise, that's about it, and most places will likely stay dry today with only isolated showers. And looky here, it feels cool for August. Down to 60 early this morning for Haleyville and Cullman. Aniana at 61. Birmingham at 67. We'll expect highs in the upper 80s in most spots today, which is below average for early August. On the watch warning map, pretty quiet across the country today. We do note a flash flood watch for parts of North Florida. A marginal risk of severe storms around the Outer Banks of North Carolina today and parts of Montana and Idaho. Tomorrow, a marginal risk up in the northwest United States. And day 3, which is Friday, again, a marginal risk far to the northwest of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The country, again, fairly quiet and just not a lot here. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch for most places through Wednesday morning of next week. In the tropics, the Gulf is quiet. Most of the Atlantic basin very quiet. There is that one little impulse off the coast of Africa. Just a low chance of that developing. A new wave will be coming off the coast of Africa by tomorrow night, and we'll watch that. That'll be moving westward, but for now, the Hurricane Center giving that only a 20% chance of developing. The bottom line is no issues for the United States or the Gulf of Mexico for the next 5 days. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. There's that nice trough here in the east. Upper high back in the west. And again, much like yesterday, showers should be few and far between. Partially sunny with highs between 85 and 89. Same thing tomorrow. And really the same thing Friday. Maybe a little better coverage of scattered storms Friday afternoon, but still no washout. Highs will likely stay in the upper 80s in most spots with a partly sunny sky. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. And again, nothing really exciting here. Partly sunny, widely scattered storms. Highs for the weekend around 90, maybe low 90s on Sunday. And this is Monday, no big change. An upper ridge begins to build. Here's Tuesday. And a week from today, this is Wednesday the 11th, the 594 ridge in place. Got a trough back in the northwest. And again for us, partly sunny, hot, humid, maybe a pop-up storm in spots. Highs most likely low 90s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, August 13th. Big trough back in the northwest. We still got ridging here. And again, the weather just not changing much. Partly sunny, hot, humid, temperatures near average, low 90s, and maybe a few widely scattered storms. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 18th of August. And from the national blend of models, highs in the upper 80s through Friday. Around 90 for the weekend. You see some mid-90s next week. I think it will do low 90s. The NBM has been running a little too hot this summer with the numbers, but that's the general idea. And the CPC outlook, this is August 11th through the 17th. Temperatures around here would be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.